Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back with another video. So today's video, I hope you will like this video, and if you like, so don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon and all notifications so that I can post video and you can get the notification first. So let's start the video without testing it. You can see the first picture, you can see the first picture on the back side, and the bed is in green color, the wall is in white color, and the floor is also white color. This one also green color wall, the two lamps, and the bed white color. The mirror window is there, you can get the best view. This one pink color bed and a table, you can see it's a bit greenish color, beautiful design. So the wall is green color and the bed is in silver color, like beautiful design. This one also very beautiful. You can see the green color wall, the lamp, and the place you can keep your anything VIP you can keep here. Beautiful. This one also very beautiful. You can keep up there any small plants or expensive thing for decoration. The wall also very beautiful, green color, and the cotton you can see. This also very beautiful. You can see the two lamps is there and the three frames photos is there, beautiful. This also very beautiful. You can see the bed and the walls, good color, beautiful colors, and here you can keep books and all. This also very beautiful. The bed beautiful, bed is very beautiful. You can see the green color, the bed wall also green color, but bed is looking very beautiful. So also very beautiful, the green color wall, the white color bed, the cupboard wooden theme, and the side you can keep any books or small plants and all, beautiful. It's also very beautiful. You can see the mirror, you can see the small lights, you can see beautiful lights, the small plants, beautiful decoration and design. This one also the floor, you can see beautiful floor and the mat, and you can see outside window mirror, and the wall is green color. It's also very beautiful. The small plants, you can see the small plants is very beautiful, and the wall you can see white color wall. The cupboard you can see it's also very beautiful. You can see the wall and the bed beautiful. You can see pictures and all beautiful pictures, good pictures. It's also very beautiful. You can see the moon and all, beautiful decoration and designs. These photos maybe family photos or friends, beautiful photos and all, and the lights also. This also bed is in wooden theme, olden times, and the floor you can see white color wooden theme. The wall also beautiful decoration. This also the I don't know, it is for going for somewhere beautiful place, and the window you can mirror you can see, sorry, and the beautiful decoration. It's also very beautiful green color wall, bed and all. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon and comment me down if you like, so that I can bring for you beautiful videos. So thank you for watching and have a nice day. Take care and goodbye.